In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto from your eToro to the eToro Money wallet. Now, there are some things you need to do, and the first one is you need to completely verify your profile, and that means you need to add a phone number, you need to complete the KYC, and everything like that. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Now, the second is you need to download the app called eToro Money. This should be on every app store, eToro Money. Download this one, and this is a separate app made by eToro, which is mainly for crypto use. So after you've done this, what you need to do is head over to Portfolio, find the crypto you want to transfer, click on it, and then click on the position. Once you're in here, there will be a transfer button right here. Now I don't have it since my profile is not completed, but you should see a transfer option right here, or there would be an edit trade button, and inside there will be a transfer button. Once you've done this, it's gonna send the crypto to your eToro Money app. Now this is the way that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.